Hi all, hope all of you are doing good. Today I will show you how you can add the policies on your Shopify store. So by policies what I mean is the privacy policy, refund policy, terms of service and shipping policy. All these policies are very important for your online store and you have to add them. Let us see how we can add it. Go to settings. Here at the bottom you can see policies. Click on that. See here the policies are there, the refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service and shipping policy. So what you have to do is you have to click on create from template. So then what happens is this template will come. Okay. So each one you have to create from the template. So a privacy policy will come. Terms of service also you have to create it like that. Then the shipping policy you have to add your own shipping policy based on your shipping terms or your shipping rates and how long it will take to ship the products, and all the policies you will have to add here. And don't forget to click on save over here. And go through these policies as well. So you, if you want to have any change in the return policy, so you don't have a 30-day return policy, you only have a 15-day return policy, then what you can do is you can edit the contents over here. The addresses you can change over here, the email address you can edit the contents which over here, and then click on save. Okay, now our policies are saved. Now you can close this. The next thing you have to do is you have to go to navigation. We add the policies on the footer menu. So click on that. So here you have to click on add. So you click on add menu item, and here you have to type in the policies, name of the menus, terms of service, and you click here, and in this drop down you will see policies over here. Click on policies, and you see all the policies which we have created over there will come here. So click on terms of service and add it. The other policies as well we have to add this way. Privacy policy, click on policies, you will see the privacy policy page over here. Click on it and save the menu. The other one is our refund policy. Go to policies, click on refund policies and add it and save the menu. Okay, now when we go back to our store, you can see all the policies over here, and you click on each policy and the corresponding policies will come here. Thanks for watching.